Give it to me like.
Hi guys, my name is Kelsey with AIA Beauty Bundle, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing showing you guys the newest products inside the box, which are by bellapierre Cosmetics. We're going to do first impressions with the cosmetics and show you guys how they look on, so stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss what'll be in your box this month. So first up we have the Ultimate Nude Eyeshadow Palette, which is amazing as you can see just by looking at the outside of it. But look at the inside. There is 35 different colors inside this thing. This is amazing. And I'm so excited to show you guys a couple of them, how they look on. So as you can see, this palette is amazing. I really love how it comes with a mirror. It's a really big full-size mirror too, which is really nice. So we're gonna start with this base color right here. I'm gonna put this on the entire eyelid. This just gives you a nice start so that you have your eyelid all one color before you add any darker shades. And then next I'm gonna go in with something a little bit darker. Let's try out this really pretty dark brown, and I'm gonna add that into the crease, the corner crease of my eye. This goes on so smooth, you like hardly even need to blend it. First impression so far with this eyeshadow is it's so easy to work with. Next we're gonna go in with this kind of goldish pink for a little bit of sparkle in the tear duct and corner of the eye. Look how pretty that blends with that dark color. So this is gonna be my finished look. As you can see, I went with a more natural look, which was really easy to do with the color options that they have in this palette, and with the texture of the eyeshadows, they blend and look really soft once you get them on. Love it already. There's so many options for you in this. This would be the perfect palette for anybody. So next product in the bundle is gonna be the Banana Setting Powder, which I'm so excited about. I love setting powder, so I can't wait to see how this one actually goes on the face. I'm gonna tap it upside down a couple times to get some to come into the lid before I start. It's already so pretty. It also comes with this little brush that you can use to apply it. So I usually put my setting powder everywhere that I put my concealer, which is under my eyes, middle, kind of my T-zone. So I'm gonna grab some on here. Oh, it's already so smooth. As you guys can see, everything kind of like softened out. This is a really pretty setting powder. Wow, I love it. I hope you guys can see what I'm seeing. This is such a pretty difference. So now I'm gonna also apply a little bit to my T-zone and my forehead. As you can see, it also gives like a really natural, nice highlight, which is so awesome. So this setting powder is probably the best setting powder I've ever used. I love how much coverage it has, how much you can really tell it's gonna set. It totally transformed my under eye instantly with that little highlight and the color, and this setting powder is a must-have. So next up is going to be this matte lipstick. It's in shade Incognito, so I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like on. This is instantly super full coverage, really creamy. It also smells really good. It's really easy to put on. Obviously, I love the pointed tip on a lipstick. I love the color payoff. I love the formula. This went on great. It looks great. You guys are gonna love this color. So next in your bundle, you're gonna get this amazing brow pencil in shade Cocoa. It is going to be a brow pencil on one side and then a brow comb on the other side, which makes doing your brows so easy. So first I'm going to raise up the pencil end. This is a really universal color, so I think it would be good on a lot of different brow shades. I'm gonna give myself a little bit of an arch. If you have any holes on the bottom, it's super easy to fill in with this like pointed tip. And then after you're done filling in, it's so convenient that on the other end you can use this brow little brush to kind of comb through any areas that maybe came in too dark and to shape your brow into the ideal shape that you would like it. So as you can see, so easy, so fluffy. It makes your brows perfect just in a matter of minutes. I love this product. Such a classic necessity that everybody needs in their makeup box. So this is the final look. I loved every single product that came in this beauty bundle this month. You guys are gonna also love all these products. All of the products that come in your bundle are gonna be over $100 in value, but it's only $34 bi-monthly, so you guys have to get your hands on one of these boxes so you guys can also play with these amazing products at an incredible value. You guys can also subscribe to AIA Beauty Bundle on our website, which is AIABeautyBundle.com, and to follow us on Instagram, just follow us at AIA Beauty Bundle, and you guys can see more about these fun products. Thanks for watching.